przyjaciele, hi friends, welcome back to my new video. I hope you all doing well and I'm so excited to have you back. However, if you're new here, my name is Monica and what I do here is share with you my love for Polish food, Polish traditions, American recipes and world flavors. So if you want to explore with me, please give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss on anything. Today I want to tell you a bit about herring. Herring is a fish very dense in texture with very rich, fishy, salty flavor. I love it, but not everyone does. I think it's underestimated in the United States, but in Poland it's something that we just eat. We eat it as a snack with a shot of vodka, or we serve it for Easter and Christmas. My favorite is herring with apples and onions, specifically when it's served with a side of beautiful bread like chałka, a bagel, or my favorite Polish krakowski obwarzanek. If you would like to know more about obwarzanek, a rolled bread made in my hometown Krakow, please make sure to go and check out the new video of my friend Polish Girl Next Door. She tells an amazing story about the origin of this bread. I will add the link in the description, so make sure to check it out. Now, I want to show you how to make herring into a delicious appetizer with some apples and onion. So let's jump right into it. For this recipe, I use herring called matjas, which is basically herring in oil, but I find it quite salty, so before I do anything else, I put them in a bowl and soak them in milk or water for at least 10 to 15 minutes. While the herring is soaking, I start to chop all the other ingredients. I am starting with the purple onion. I find it sweeter and much better for this recipe than the yellow one or white one. I also chop half of a Granny Smith apple and one full red sweet apple. The last thing I chop is some scallion for garnish, and I prepared and cut the lemon. After 15 minutes, I take the fillet out of the milk and pat them down dry and slice them into 2-inch pieces. In a big bowl, I mix together all the ingredients, so herring, the onion, the apples, and then add a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, a squeeze of lemon. For the final step, I add the scallions that I chopped before, some pepper. I add a bit of salt if I find that the apples took over, and I add 2 big tablespoons of Greek yogurt. I mixed everything well together, and then I let it sit in the fridge for at least 2 hours. It's important to serve it cold because otherwise it just won't taste very well. And also make sure to serve it with beautiful bread with some butter on it. Thank you for being with me today. Please leave me a comment and tell me what you eat that people find strange. I hope you enjoyed that movie. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did. And for Polish and sometimes not so Polish recipes, please consider subscribing. Smacznego! Bye bye!